Alright guys, welcome back to another class with Prof.kay, Maths Made Fun. So today's question is on circle geometry. So the question states a chord subtends an angle 120 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the minor sector containing the chord. Take pi 22/7, and we have a set of options to choose the correct answer from. So in solving this, let me advise you, when they talk about sectors they make up a circle. They could be from 3, 4, 5. They make up the circle. So when we are dealing with sectors now, we'll deal with angles also. So they give us an angle 120 degrees, and remember, in a circle we have angle 360 degrees. Therefore, if a sector is containing angle 120 degrees, the other remaining angle in the circle would be containing angle 240 degrees. That's 360 degrees minus 120 degrees. Now think of the sector and the circle as when you just on a Saturday afternoon you say you want to eat pizza. So when you are eating the pizza, you slice it. So those slices that you made, they look a little bit like triangle. So those ones that look a little bit like triangle, they are the one that they call sectors. Now there are major sectors, there are minor sectors. You can see in this triangle, in this circle rather, I brought out something. I brought out that little thing I drew. I brought it out. That one I drew that I brought out is the minor sector. It is the smaller one because it has the smaller angle. So it is the minor sector. Then we have to find the perimeter around it. Perimeter simply means that the distance around it. Now you can see that to get the distance around this minor sector, we have one radius at the side, another radius at the side, and finally the length of arc. So that is telling us that those three things makes up the perimeter of the minor sector. So in solving it, perimeter of minor sector is going to be equals to the length of arc, that is the part that is the circumference of the circle, plus 2 multiplied by radius, because we are dealing with two radius. Remember, one radius by the side, another radius by the side, then the length of arc on the bottom. That was what formed the minor sector. So P is going to be equals to perimeter. So you can be following me because I might as well be using P instead of perimeter. So the perimeter of the minor sector is equals to theta over 360. Remember, length of arc, but we are saying theta over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius. So then we add plus 2 multiplied by radius. Now if you are looking at this theta over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius, that is the formula for the length of arc. So if you are confused, I guess that would have helped you. So we have our angle to be 120 degrees over 360 because we are dealing with the minor sector. That's the smaller sector. That's 120 degrees. Assuming we are asked to find the major is 240 degrees, since the total angle in the circle is 360 degrees. And so that will give us 120 degrees over 360 multiplied by 2. And for everything that we have said, we have it there on the note. Don't let me waste my time. So we have 1 over 3 multiplied by 2. That's after 120 over 360 is simplified, multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 3.5 plus 7. That's 2 times 3.5 would give us 7. So 3.5 in 7 is 2, and 2 in 2 is 1. So we have 1 over 3 multiplied by 22, then plus 7. We have plus 7. So P is equals to 22 over 3 plus 7. We have it as 22 over 3 plus 7. That's P. Remember, I said I wouldn't be saying perimeter, so you should understand what P is. So we are going to find the common factor that would go in 22 over 3 and 7. And so I think that should give us 3. 3 would go in both. So 3 in 22 over 3 is 22. Plus 3 in 1 multiplied by that is 21. The 3 in 1 is 3 multiplied by 7 is 27. That was how I got it. 3 divided by 3 is 1 multiplied by 22 is 22. So that was how I got it. So the addition of both would give us 43 over 3. When we simplify to a mixed fraction, we have it as 14 whole number as the whole number, 1/3 as the fraction. So that would give us our option B, which is our correct answer. Thank you for